If your headlights look like fogged-up bathroom mirrors rather than actual lights, it might be time to restore them. Over time, sunlight, dirt, and just everyday driving can turn your clear headlights into dull, yellow messes. And besides making your car look older, it makes night driving risky. So in this video, I'm going through the 5 best headlight restoration kits that'll help you bring those lights back to life. No mechanic and no crazy tools needed. Whether you want a quick wipe-on fix or a full-on restoration, there's something here for you. You'll find links to the best prices for all the headlight restoration kits mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these restoration kits aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 5 is the MGR's 2-step headlight restoration kit. This is the best 2-step kit on our list. Now, if your headlights are starting to look all foggy and yellow, like they've been through dusty summers, this kit is for you. This restoration kit is simple to use. Just clean and coat. That's it. You don't need drills or sandpaper, nor do you need to be a car expert. Just squeeze a bit of the cleaning solution onto the included pad, wipe it in a few passes, and then seal everything in with a headlight coating. And what makes it stand out is the coating that protects your headlights for up to a year. So it's not only a quick fix, it keeps them from getting hazy again for a while. It also boosts your visibility at night, which is one of those things you don't realize matters until you're squinting on a dark road trying to see what's ahead. Jason puts it as, "I was blown away by the transformation it made on my foggy and yellow headlights. They now look as good as new. The ease of use totally surprised me, and the results are simply unbelievable. I highly recommend it to anyone wanting to revitalize their car's appearance. Additionally, it offers protection against reoxidation, making it even more valuable. Price-wise, it usually goes for around $25, but you can grab it for cheaper using the link I've dropped below. Even without the discount, it's a solid deal for how much clarity and protection you get. As per the usage and quantity goes, it'll probably last for your next cleanup too. Overall, if you want clear headlights without a whole DIY project, this one's a no-brainer." Number 4 is the Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. This is the most complete kit on our list. If you're someone who wants a full, hands-on restoration, not only a wipe and go, this one's worth a look. This restoration kit has everything. A polishing tool, a 3-inch backing plate, sanding discs, and an 8-ounce bottle of polish. But you will need a drill for this one. That's how it cuts through years of oxidation, yellowing, and even those tiny scratches that make your headlights look old and dull. You go step by step, start with sanding, which includes 3 grit levels, then polish, using the Power Plastic formula. That stuff doesn't only clean up the lens, but also leaves behind a protective layer to help block future UV damage. It's not the quickest fix, but it's very thorough. If you're okay putting in a little time, you'll get that showroom clear look back. This one's priced around $20, and while it may seem like a little more effort than the wipe-on kits, you're getting a deeper clean and a longer-lasting result. Overall, if you have a drill and don't mind getting a little hands-on, this kit brings serious results. Number 3 is the Chemical Guys Headlight Restorer. This is the easiest setup on our list. If you're not into drills or sanding, this one's for you. It's only a bottle and a microfiber cloth. You put a few dots on the cloth, rub it in, and you're done. No machines, no prep work, no extra steps. What I love is that it doesn't just clean, it also protects. So once your headlights are clear, it helps keep out the stuff that made them cloudy in the first place, like sun damage and road grime. It creates a seal that holds up well in different weather conditions too. Now, it's best for headlights that have light haze or cloudiness. If yours are completely yellowed or crusty, you might need to sand first for better results, but for regular upkeep or light restoration, this bottle does a solid job. It usually sells for around $22, depending on where you grab it, and the bottle's big enough for multiple uses, so you're set for a while. If you're looking to wipe away the fog without a whole project, this one's probably your best bet. And if you want to know the latest prices for the headlight restoration kits discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2 is the Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. This is the best value for money option on our list. This kit can fix that yellow haze creeping in your headlights. It will not only cover it up, but fix it. It's a full 3-step system. First, you spray the surface activator, which softens up the plastic so you're not grinding forever with sandpaper. Then comes the sanding part. It includes multiple grits, and you'll have to put in a little elbow grease, but that's what makes the difference. You go from rough to smooth, slowly polishing out the years of sun damage. And the last step is you apply this UV clear coat that seals the lens and brings out shine. It dries fast, and if you apply it clean, it looks crazy good right away. Sylvania also claims it'll last for about a year, maybe more, depending on where you live. And they back it with a lifetime warranty on the kit itself, so as long as you follow the instructions right, you're covered. And for this, you don't need any tools or drills, just some patience and a weekend afternoon. Overall, if you want a real transformation without spending pro detail money, this is the one I'd point to. It gets you the most bang for your buck. Number 1 is the Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. This is the best overall option on our list. If your headlights are looking foggy, yellow, or just plain rough, this kit fixes that. This kit promises permanent ceramic-level results without any tools. You'll only need what's in the box. Inside, you get oxidation remover wipes, sanding pads, and the ceramic coating wipes. That ceramic part makes this kit stand out. It bonds to your headlight plastic and stays there. They say it lasts as long as you own your car, and that's wild for something that costs around 19 bucks. The whole process takes about 30 minutes. For step 1, you use 4 of the oxidation wipes per headlight, wipe, and toss. In step 2, you'll use wet sand with the included pads. It's not aggressive, but it works. And for step 3, you'll apply the ceramic wipe in smooth strokes and let it cure. There's no need to rush. Take your time and make sure the headlights are completely dry before the coating step, because that part matters. And once it cures, your lights go from dull and crusty to crazy clear. As Hayden wrote, "My car has been in desperate need of new headlight covers, but I wasn't ready to throw in the towel. This kit did exactly what was promised and restored my headlight, saving me over $500 to replace the light covers." Overall, if you want a full restore with real protection without needing a drill or spending a ton, this kit is hands down one of the easiest and most effective options out there. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect headlight restoration kit. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each restoration kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.